In this video, I'll show you how to trade on PancakeSwap. First, open your crypto wallet, such as MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Binance Web3 wallet. Make sure your wallet is connected to the correct network. PancakeSwap is commonly used on BNB Smart Chain, so you will need some BNB in your wallet to pay network fees. Next, open the official PancakeSwap website. Be careful with fake websites, sponsored ads, and random links from social media. Always double-check the website before connecting your wallet. Once PancakeSwap opens, click Connect Wallet and choose the wallet you want to use. Your wallet will show a connection request. Review the website name carefully, then approve the connection. Now go to the swap section. In the first token box, choose the token you want to spend, such as BNB, USDT, USDC, or another token in your wallet. In the second token box, choose the token you want to buy. You can search by token name, but for safer trading, especially with new tokens, it is better to paste the official contract address from the project's trusted website or verified community page. After selecting both tokens, enter the amount you want to trade. PancakeSwap will show the estimated amount you will receive. Before confirming the trade, review the details carefully. Check the price impact, slippage tolerance, minimum received, root, and network fee. If the price impact is too high, the token may have low liquidity, and you may receive less than expected. Some tokens require approval before swapping. If you see an Approve button, click it and confirm the approval in your wallet. After approval is complete, click Swap. Your wallet will open again and ask you to confirm the transaction. Read the details carefully, then approve it. After the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the token you traded for should appear in your wallet. If it does not show automatically, add it manually using the token contract address. Always remember that trading crypto on decentralized exchanges involves risk. Prices can change quickly, scams exist, and blockchain transactions usually cannot be reversed. Trade only amounts you are comfortable risking. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.